Greetings people, I am Dallas, and today we're doing a mod onto the Mazdaspeed 3. Now, this mod, it's easy to do, it is cheap, and apparently makes quite a good difference. What is this mod? Solid Shifter Bushings. Now, your shifter has bushings. From factory, they are rubber, and that means, you know, there's a bit more play in them. The Solid Shifter Bushings are solid, if you didn't already get that. Now, what that means is your shifts should just be, oh, so crispy. The gearbox already feels really good, so it should feel amazing. Reasons why I think this will work really good is because A, a lot of people say it works really good. And also B, the old girl is currently on... Okay. Right, we're currently on 195,000 kilometers. So, the stock bushings should be pretty sus. So let's look at the Solid Shifter bushings. I bought them off Marketplace, which is obviously very flippin' reliable. Now, the guy said that they were JBR short shift bushings. I think that they more look like the 3D printed. He said that there was the bushings and the washers. I can sort of only feel bushings. So let's have a look at the same time. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are my 4 times solid shifter bushings, and no, they did not include 4 times washers, so who gives a shit, honestly. So let me show you how to do this, because this is easy as flip. So yes, first step, take your shift knob off. Shit. You're looking at these feet free, boys. Actually, no, I want to show you guys something. If you've got a lot of Ks on yours, like I have, you'd have like this really bad coating on it, like all ripped up. Do what I did, makes it look so much better. Just rip that motherfucker off, and it looks way better. Oh, that feels way better, honestly. Step 2, come into here, and you're meant to apparently just, oh yeah, lift that up, cool. Yeah, that's one, that's that. Throw it there. This. Oh, look at that robot dick. I kind of want to take more off just so it looks unnecessarily complicated. Let's do that, just to make it look harder than it actually is. That screwdriver. Boom. There we are. These guys are in the way. Get stuffed. And that's all that taken out, just for dramatic effect, I guess. Okay, well, first step is to, wow, that looks clean. I'll clean it off camera. Don't question. I definitely did it off camera. Anyways, 1 bolt, 2 bolt. I don't want to touch it. It looks rank. 3 bolts, 4 bolts. Get them all off, please. Damn. First, you need to get your socket set. In a nice, easy to get location. Oh, now it's raining. I love sleeping, you know, hearing the sound of rain. Knowing all the homeless people out there getting rained on. I'm just kidding. I'm not a dick like that. I've given a homeless person money once.
Are you sure about that?
I actually didn't. I'm just kidding, that's alright. Alright, so I put them all in. I torqued them to by feel. Now to put it back on, it's just do the same as you did when you put it here, but the other way around. So let's say if you took your head unit out for dramatic effect, you'd put that in. Shifter on this way, in. Covert 15. Just cut your around your handbrake. Okay, it's in. It looks a bit shorter. Anyways, I'm not gonna lie. There is a difference. It's not crazy. It's not crazy. The shifts are maybe sure. There is a difference. Not a big difference. It doesn't feel like it goes in easy. Anyways, I'm gonna drive it around, and I'll get back to you on how I think.
5 minutes later.
Okay, bro's back. It's a few days later now. Updated impressions. I went back into my car like after filming that, and I was like, wow, I actually underestimated how much of a big difference it made. Like, it feels quite a bit better. And then I don't know. I feel like it feels maybe 15% better. Okay, maybe not 15, but you know, it feels more light and crisp, and like the gates are more defined. Like if we go like that bit, where it just slides into gear, that feels more defined. The gates are more, I don't know, you know, a bit crisper, a bit lighter. Not crazy amount, you know, I'm spending $25 on it, so you know, who cares? Yeah, if you haven't noticed, I attacked the interior with Plasti Dip. So there's a video coming on that. It didn't go well. Anyways, and yeah, like I said, some people say, damn, it made such a big difference. Some people say, I didn't notice it at all. But you know, it's a good feeling gearbox, so I mean, you know, you can't get much better than that. Well, actually you can, but it feels good already, so. What do you think, mate? Yeah, so I think that's the video. Consider following my Instagram, consider subscribing and liking. We'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.